Hey everybody, I'm Snell from Clarkson's class of 2028, and this is how I spent my birthday as a Clarkson University student. So to start off my day, I took a nice walk with my roommate Jack to chemistry at 9 a.m.
This is 10-126.
After chemistry, I went over to Concrete Café. It was a really good breakfast. I love Concrete because it's in the Science Center, which is right in the center of where all my classes are, and it's kind of just one of those easy grab-and-go meals. After Concrete, I went to my 11 a.m. Calculus 3 lecture. What's up, y'all? Just got out of Calculus. Now off to the last class of the day. We got accounting and Snell.
That gives you an overhead allocation rate.
After accounting, I went over to the Servery for lunch, which is located in our student center. And then went to the gym with my buddy Victor. Gym time. What's up, y'all? Going into the IRC gym. We got Victor here. What are we hitting today?
We are hitting shoulders and a little bit of chest.
Getting to the gym, going through the workout. Let's go, gang. Great workout as always with him. And then after the gym, my girlfriend took me out for a birthday dinner at Mama Lucia's, which is a really good Italian spot in downtown Potsdam. Great time. Thank you very much, Lily. That was all I did, so thank you very much for following along with me. This was a day in my life as a Clarkson freshman.